Concept 3, Find and Replace. Go ahead and switch to your print layout, and you can find your different layouts under View. Print layout's the first one. And scroll back up to the top. Make sure your zoom is at 100%. We're going to click on the Find button in the Editing group. And that's in your Home tab, and the Editing group is your last one, and the Find button is the first one. And you'll see that it opens up a navigation window. We're going to type trip into the navigation window. And you'll see that it shows you the different occurrences of the word trip throughout your document. And if you scroll through your document, you can see the various places that trip is being used. They are highlighted. It tells us to click on the third thumbnail down to move to that particular one. And you can see that it's double highlighted at this point. Click on the Next Occurrence button, which can be found right here, and it'll take us to our next one. And you can click the four little squares here to show the various pages of our document. And this would be helpful if we had a much larger document than we actually do. And if you click on the second one and scroll down, you'll find the last of our. Click the X marker in the navigation pane up here. Next, we are going to use the Replace feature, which can be found right below Find. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to type in Find What is Trip, Replace with Tour, and I'm going to click on Find Next. Make sure that your cursor is at the top of the document. I find the first one, I'm going to click on the Replace button. You may want to move your task area down just a little bit so it's easier to see the document at the same time. After I've done that, I'm going to skip the next one by clicking on Find Next. And then I'm going to replace the following one. And I'm going to replace the next one and the next one, but I'm not going to replace the one that's on the second page of this document. I will hit Find Next again, and it will tell us that we have finished searching the document. And I'll click OK, and then I can close this little box here. It now wants us to insert the current date, and it says if necessary, move to the D in Dear. So my cursor is there already. Put yours there if it's not. And hit Enter twice. I'm then going to move to the first blank line, and in the Insert tab, I'm going to click on Date and Time, and that can be found in the text area here. And I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up a date and time window.